Okay, hey guys, I'm gonna try to make this video super short. I just want to tell you that I really miss you guys. I look crazy, got quarantine brows, catch them brows, sis. They look crazy. My nails, girl, they look half the paint peeled out. Girl, everything over here looks crazy. But I just moved into my new house. Woo! And I got myself something that I always wanted. So let me go ahead and unbox it with you guys. Louis Vuitton. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't hold this energy. Like, I've been waiting all day for my kids to kind of like wind down so I could do this video with y'all. So excited. Louis Vuitton. And what's in here? Came with this little card. Okay, it just says thanks for shopping with us. Should I quick? My hands all over it. My receipt. I wrote a note to myself. There it is. Oh, okay, this is a part of the receipt too. I said, Jasmine, smile, baby. You deserve everything your heart desires. Love, Jazz. I had to write a note to myself because this wasn't cheap, but I chose to spend my money on me. I always get people nice gifts and take time to do for others, and other people do for me as well. But I wanted to do something that my heart desired. I wanted to do something that I wanted to get what I always wanted. I'm looking down at this quarantine stomach, honey. I'm big over here. But anywho, sidebar. Alright, let's open it. Okay, coming in the little pouch. Okay. Oh my god, y'all. This is so freaking pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay. And it's just, you know, a regular smuggler wallet. It's got 4 card slots on this side. And then a pocket back there. A zipper in the middle with tags. I'm just going to put it back. And then 4 pockets on this side. It looks the exact same way on both sides. I honestly do not remember like individual pricing. Y'all can go on their website. I ordered it off the website, so whatever the website says is how much I paid for it. And I was just gonna get a bag, and then I was like, girl, how you gonna carry a bag with no wallet to match? Like, no. So that's the wallet. Let's get to the bag. Okay. Y'all, I don't know how excited I am. Okay, and this is how this box looks. Oh, y'all, girl, I'm over here struggling. Struggling with this box, Jack. Okay, so we have that same pouch with the receipt. I wonder if they write that note twice. I'm just curious. I'm just curious if they printed it twice. Yep. Nope, they didn't. That's the receipt thing. Nope, they ain't printed twice. That's cool. Alright. And get this out of the way. Alright, this is how this box looks. Lovely. Woo. My heart is just thumping. Okay, let me open it this way. I love that's a magnet. So nice. I don't know where I'm gonna put these boxes to decorate with, but I'm keeping them to decorate with. Oh y'all, and the box is so deep. I'm still stuck on the box. Hold on. I'm sorry. It's so deep. I don't know what I'm gonna keep in there. Oh, but you know what? I know I'm gonna put this box. Well, that wallet. And the receipt in there. That's what I keep in there for now. Oh, that is so. I'm just how you sitting pretty, honey. Okay. Now to this bag, boo. Now to this bag. So it comes in that pouch. Baby. Can you see it? Can you see how good she is? Ooh, okay, I got a new box. She is everything. I'm trying to compose myself. Okay, so where the key at? Okay. So I got 2 little keys in here. So you can take the lock off and lock the bag closed. That is so stinky cute. Okay. Oh, I love that the zippers go all the way down the side of the bag. Oh, what the little pouch for? I don't know what you're supposed to do with that little pouch. I don't know what you're supposed to do with that little pouch, but I'm gonna keep it. Maybe to keep the keys in? Maybe? I don't know. Okay. I have to look up on it because this is my first luxury bag. Boo, look at that inside. Look at that blue. Look at... Ain't you in love with me? That blue is sexy. That is a sexy blue. Oh my God, Lord. I love it. Okay, so it's not a zipper or pocket or anything on that side. And just 1 pocket. Well, I'm sorry, 2 small pockets on the inside. It's doing too much trying to get y'all to see them pockets, but they there. Okay, and then this. I'm probably not gonna put this on here and carry it that way. I like just that. Just, pouncing around. I'll just, ooh. Okay, but let's lock the bag. So, the little handles are so cute. Okay, you come up, meet them in the middle, and they meet. Y'all can see it. It meets right there. And I'm going to lock it. Okay. And I'm going to pull my keys back. Boom, boom. There we go. In there like swimwear. And it's locked. Safe and sound. So like say you at the airport, you waiting. You might fall asleep. You know how to be at the airport. You just lock your bag. Who comes steal it? I don't know. That was random. I'm still looking at the stomach I got over here. But anywho, I'm going to put it back in this pouch. And I'm going to put it back in this box. Y'all, I don't know when or where I'm going to wear that bag. It's not going to be my everyday bag. That's going to be somebody taking me somewhere real nice. A Jeff Ruby date night. Okay? Hint, hint to my husband if he watched this video. Jeff Ruby date night, shorty. Okay? That's where I can wear this bag. Where I can wear this bag. Okay. Slide it back on in there like so. And that's it. That's it, that's all. That's all she wrote. I wanted the, this bag was expensive. And I wanted the one that was, a lot cheaper but it was one that everybody got, and I can't even tell you the name, but y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Neverless, never end, something, I don't know. Everybody named Mama got it, and I was like, oh, I don't want to have the same bag as everybody else. I want to be a little unique and different, so I put the little extra money towards that. But don't judge me. I know I'm on my debt-free journey, but I wanted something that I wanted. That's all. That's it. That's all. So I paid for this though in full, if that helps. I didn't. I charged it to a card, but then I paid the card off in full. I didn't like. I'm not owing on this bag. It's already paid for. What's the whole point of that? So I am gonna do a video after I get all set up and decorated of the new house. We are so excited to be here. I think I'm gonna do another video too on our house buying journey. I wish I could have like took y'all along as we were going, but I'm not good at vlogging. I shouldn't even say I ain't good at it, because I ain't never tried it. But I get irritated if I'm trying to talk and birds is chirping and my kids is crying. Then I can't do it, then I want to quit, because I want to just sit and talk in peace and hear myself think. So I'm probably just gonna do a video to talk about how long it took for us to buy our house, the process. I don't know. I can't think of nothing else. But if y'all got questions that you want answered, you can leave them in the description box below, and I'll be sure to read it before I do that video. I love y'all. I miss y'all. I know this quarantine is crazy, girl, because it's crazy for me too. Okay. I'm stressed. I'm really stressed. We'll talk about it in another video. Love y'all. Bye.